Hey guys, Chris here from Lead Autos. Going to do something different today. Have a lovely 2019 BMW 330e Hybrid Edition behind us. And we're going to show you a bit of procedures, what goes on in here, how it comes in and how it gets kitted and wheeled. First of all, we're going to have a look and see what's new inside. It's FR Fridays. We've got two here to choose from. We have a 2017 Ibiza 1.8 TSI, tastefully modified, H&R springs, catback Miltech, front splitter. It's a stunning wee car, proper hot hatch. And then here's something a bit different. It's something you can take a dog to the beach in, take a family out in. It's also an FR. It's a 2-litre diesel one. It's 2019 with 80k on it. It's 9995 the way it sits. Here we have, hopefully, a full kit for a BMW 330e, which we were just about to fit. Just giving this wee machine polish before Mitchie lifts it up. We'll stick it on whenever we put it back down again. A nice wee piano black rear diffuse on it as well. It's going to really help the look of the back of it. Yep, simple but effective. All good, mate. Just finishing touches with the lip here. I think it'll look awesome. What do you think, guys? Fat lip. Alright guys, here we go. This is the final result. This car about an hour and a half ago literally came in pretty much standard. We have replaced the front splitter, something a bit lower down, piano black, looks awesome. Wheels, side skirts, boot spoiler, and the rear diffuser as well. Front grills are in the post and on their way. As you can see, the difference is outstanding. This won't hang about, guys, this car. 19995 plus wheels. Do not sleep in this car. This car is going to sell extremely fast.